Nahuli ba? Babe! Babe! Ano to eh? Babe, panatiyan na ako eh! Panatiyan na ako? Kanina na ako! Maka magi me? මේ බෑග් එකට මචං කීයා? අර කපලා දාන්න මේක. අම්මට. තාත්තේ කියන්නේ මචං මේ අයයි වා. බලාගෙන.
We're gonna need to talk. Starting with this video here. You've probably already seen it before, but in case you haven't.
Someone uploaded this video to YouTube many years ago. It literally casts its own shadow.
So not only does it cast a shadow, the way this thing enters water does not look like a human wearing a costume. Like no diver enters water like that. Now check out this TikTok that was posted by this user here.
It literally has human hands. The spine.
When I saw this, it reminded me of something. Now, of course, being the internet, nobody believed her, but she had the receipts. Check it out.
And these are my nails, just as evidence that it was me.
I don't know, man. What do you think? They look really similar.
You hear them? They're singing. I fucking love my job, I swear. Mr. Krabs! Huh, Mr. Krabs? Tell him, Mr. Krabs! Actually, you know what, homie? I'm gonna throw you back in your ocean. Because we're not catching you. Be free! Be free, homie! Sometimes you gotta let him free, you know? Sometimes you just gotta let him roam free. Let's just walk right back. Let's see if we can find... Oh! Yo! Oh, hell no! Wait, no! No fucking way! Wait, I just threw this overboard. Y'all saw me throw it overboard. This... Are you fucking kidding me? That did not just... Us 90, and we just out here. We're chilling. We're out here I hear it. I hear him. Where's she at? What the fuck is that noise, bro? What is that noise? Where are you? This is crazy. I heard it. I heard it. I hear it. Oh my God. That's crazy. That's nuts. Sauce 9, you know what it is, man. Just finished another fishing trip. Whole fishing trip. Heard no noises whatsoever. Until we got into unload. Peep this video. Crazy. At the docks though? Hey yo, you hear that? I know what the fuck that is. I know what the fuck that is. That bitch followed me the fuck in. Oh, at the docks though? No way. No way. I'ma find your ass. You watch. Baby, talk to me. Jeez. To all 11,000 of you who were with me last night when this video was going live, I appreciate y'all. We witnessed something crazy. Source 90. The government is legit here. Peep game, let's be sneaky. That was full of water. My pants are wet. Cut. Source 90. Dry pants now. Let's check out these motherfuckers. You're gonna be out here doing testing. Testing what? What the fuck are you guys testing? That's what I wanna know. We all know Source 90 has heard certain things out in the ocean, and then my TikTok gets banned, and then the government shows up my boat. It's too many fucking coincidences.